more studio finds. And I've been looking for this stuff forever. I don't know what that is actually. But I've got all these Gumball machine and breakfast cereal type prizes from the 80s and 90s. Magic Ball. That is, what about that? What is it, the Whitney? Me too, oh, jeez. Yeah, all right. Rude boy. But here we go. Looks like some sort of a spaceship form. Jupiter. There's another one. It's Bruder. That's a Bruder. I bought some of these at one point. I think they were sold out of a Gumball machine at a grocery store. Worked at for a couple of years. There's a gold one. All these are sealed, never used. Pinback buttons. I used to collect pinback buttons. I still do from time to time. The Beatles from their anthology release. David Bowie. Annabelle. Oh, Annabelle. Ask me about Annabelle. There's a Viking, Washington Redskins helmet. I might be able to sell that. Oh, the Chiefs and the Redskins. Aren't they playing the little parachute dude? How about that? Nice stash of stuff. Outpost.com. I remember Outpost. Oh. Looks like a hash oil jar. Yeah. Talking Heads. A Talking Heads button from the 80s. A Ross Perot button. What's a Ross Perot button worth these days? There we go. There's my boys. Johnny Rotten is the patron saint of my existence. There's Queen. That's from the 70s. And I saw the Man of Steel. Interesting. Some Superman thing. Dig it back up. But how about that? A bunch of Bruder. I'm pretty sure these are Bruders. Had them all along. Last time I worked at that store was 2002. So, pretty sure that's where they came from. And what in good... I think that's a breakfast cereal thing. Anyway, the stuff you find in your studio after cleaning out after 5 years. Been thinking about these, wondered where they were. And there they are. Good stuff. David Bowie.